made Kenny thumbsticks. That's right, you can now improve your aim and precision with South Park themed Control Freaks. These new pair of thumbsticks got a cool design. It has the iconic Kenny character etched onto the Control Freak, and they feel and work slightly different too, in a good way. So let's go ahead and open up the package here. And remember, if you're interested in picking these thumbsticks up or anything from Control Freak, use my code DSimilar for a discount. That code is on the screen. It'll be linked down below in the description and comments as well. Both of these thumbsticks, though, they are mid-rise 6mm in height, actually. These are similar to the Lotus thumbsticks, or if you get like the hybrid packs like the Galaxy or Inferno, it will be that shorter stick height. These sticks feel to be relatively flat with like rounded edges, so they're easy to like wrap your thumb around. And they have Kenny's iconic design in the middle, and they feel, the material feels like I think it's a new rubber material. I'm not entirely sure about that, but it feels more like the Rush material from back in the day. It's much more rubbery feeling, much more sticky, and gives you a lot more grip. And the way this is designed, usually Control Freaks are like, they have a pattern texture in the middle, and there's not a hole in the middle like we have with Kenny with his hoodie, and then you have his face hole in the middle, and there's like just a deep little pocket there. And my thumb fits nice and snug in his little hoodie hole. It's like this micro concave type feeling. I don't know how to describe it better than that. I haven't really experienced this though before with a Control Freak, and I kind of like it. It feels like my thumb is secure, and then it has that little like textured, like the edge of his hoodie kind of flapping out there. It's textured and just feels nice on my thumb, doesn't slip, which is cool. And I don't know if this is intentional or not, but I think you could kill Kenny yourself over time if you're into that, with like just the wear and tear of Control Freaks in general. I imagine that design will wear off, and like a year from now, Kenny's face would be gone, and I essentially would have killed him, and that'd be a sign to get a new pair. So you don't have to do this, of course. You could use them forever. It's always nice to have a nice fresh pair of Control Freaks on you, though. But that's just like another benefit to Control Freaks, if you guys didn't know. They do improve your aim, and they also will prolong the life of your controller. You'll end up wearing down a replaceable Control Freak instead of your actual controller that would cost way more money to replace. Oh, one last thing I forgot to mention up top. Obviously, these have Kenny's design on them, and they are orange themed, but also the little prongs on the back are brown. You got a orange and brown theme going on with this, and it does use that 4-prong design, which they switched to like a year or two ago. I just realized I really haven't had a Control Freak fall off since they made that switch over from the 3-prong to the 4-prong design. Like, if you dropped your controller before, the Control Freak could pop off, and like after wear and tear for a while, you could push them off with your thumb if you use a ton of force, but that hasn't really been a thing since they moved to this 4-prong design. Just thought I'd mention that real quick. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the new South Park Kenny Edition Control Freaks. If these interest you, if you're interested in any type of Control Freaks, again, the links below will take you directly there. Don't forget to use my coupon code DSimilar. That will save you 12% off any order. I would love to do some like Call of Duty gameplay, live gameplay, like kills, death, something in with like killing Kenny and doing something when I die enough. I just simply don't have the time to do that right now, so maybe in the future. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, get subscribed so you don't miss if that video comes out. Please don't forget to tap that like button. That's it. My name's D. You can check out more Control Freak videos on the screen right now, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.